Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and an up-to-date Windows build. Start now. First, verify your edition and ensure any third-party antivirus is fully disabled or removed using its uninstaller so it doesn't keep Windows Defender off. Next, open Start, type Windows Security, and go straight to Virus and Threat Protection. Once there, make sure real-time protection is enabled. These first steps remove conflicts and allow Windows Defender to register as the default security provider immediately. Now you force Defender to take over by repairing and re-registering its components. Run System File Checker, open an elevated PowerShell or CMD, run sfc/scano, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corruption. Next, in Windows Security, check security providers. Confirm Microsoft Defender Antivirus is listed and active. If it's not, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter or reinstall the Microsoft Defender feature via optional features. These steps restore the service and ensure Defender becomes the system's default AV. Finish by restarting Windows and immediately confirming Windows Security reports Microsoft Defender Antivirus as the active provider. If the system still recognizes a third-party product, run the vendor's dedicated removal tool. Leftover drivers or services often block Defender. Make sure Defender services start automatically. Open services and set Microsoft Defender Antivirus service to automatic if needed. If something fails, check Event Viewer and Windows Defender logs for errors. Those messages tell you which driver or service to remove so Defender can become the default.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.